Good morning, you guys. It's currently 8:34 and I thought I would bring you guys with me today because it's going to be a fun day, but I just have to get to work right now, and then after that I can start my little fun day. But I have a really short shift today and I should get home, I should get off 2 p.m. But now I just need to get to work. I'll just eat some breakfast and put my work clothes on and then I'll leave. I don't know how I want to keep my hair. Is this cute? Because I think no. If I would keep it like this. I didn't able this either. Well, this looks stupid with this hairstyle going on. I'll just open the braids and then I have kind of curls. I'll put this headband on because it's my favorite one. Just like that. And I'm done. Okay, so I'm kind of in a rush right now, so I'll just take this banana and eat it because otherwise I won't make it in time. I don't even like my hair right now, and this is like such an awesome angle. Okay, so I just got back home from work and I'm so tired and it's so hot outside. I didn't even tell you guys what I'm doing today. So I went to work and now I have to clean my car from the inside and wash my car from the outside, but I get to wash my car at my friend's house, so I'm just going to clean it from the inside at home. So I need to vacuum and take all the trash out of my car and wipe down some surfaces, and then I might go to the beach, and then I thought I would color my hair brown. Like, I don't know why it looks so kind of dark right now, but it's blonde with a little bit of brown in it. I have to test on a small piece of hair, like probably like this one, because I want to see that it really gets out of my hair. Now I need to make an iced coffee because I'm tired. So this is the outfit I'm going with. I have shorts underneath, but yeah, it's just kind of a sun dress for me. I'm going to hate the material I have to edit. So I'll just eat my lasagna with ketchup, and then I have to carry the vacuumer out and vacuum my car. I kind of don't even want to take this one out because I won't need it in my car. I'll leave it here. My trash bag, this thing. Okay, so I got some water in a spray bottle. Some car cleaner. I cleaned half of my car, about, like the other side. I need to wash the floor mats with water still, but otherwise everything's vacuumed from that side of the car, so I can show you. So this is all vacuumed. Okay, I had such a fight with the vacuumer that you don't even realize. It just didn't want to cooperate with me. So I was cleaning my car for probably like 15 minutes, 40 minutes. And I only kind of vacuumed and took the trash out. But let's resume back to the iced coffee. Taste test. There's something missing. It's fine now, but it's like there's something missing from this, and I can tell you what it is. I just wanted to give you a book update. So I'm in the middle of The Girls I've Been by Tess Sharp, and I like it so far. Like I always go into the books blindly because I don't want to know what they're about. And I did the same with this, but I actually tried to like read what it was about from the back cover, but it just didn't make any sense in my brain, like the back cover. I don't know why. Maybe it will make sense to you, but not for me. So I was more intrigued to read the book, but I was scared that it was going to be as underwhelming as the back cover. But actually, I'm like a little bit over halfway through. I have this much left, and it's actually really good so far. I highly suggest you to read this book if you haven't already. Okay, so this is my outfit, and I have white bikini bottoms on me, and I don't know if that's necessarily the greatest idea because I'm on my period, but who cares? So it's the next day, morning. It's 9:37 right now, and I never showed you the results of the coloring, but I'll show you now. It's this brown strand that shows up here. But I hate it. It's too like warm tone brown. I would like it to be more like my natural color. So we'll see if I'll dye it. I woke up 15 minutes ago and now I'll go to the gym. I haven't been there in a while. So I just got out of the shower and I would like my hair to be this color, kind of. I don't know if brown would suit me, but I tried with the like color mask, but it just was a flop because it looked like I would have like put a orange color mask in my hair because it looked ginger. But now I'll just do my skincare, put on a little bit of makeup, and then I'll probably do my hair because I have to get to work today, but I have like evening shift and I still have 4 hours of time, so I'll just let it air dry as long as I can, and then maybe I have to blow dry it and then I'm going to curl it. I tidied up a little bit around the house and I'm going to do my hair. I need to brush my hair out, but yeah, now I'm just going to blow dry my hair. So now that my hair is almost entirely dry, I'll spray some heat protectant in my hair. Please use heat protectant when you use heat on your hair, because like the heat is still going to damage your hair probably a little bit, but it still is like protecting it. So I take the top section and then I'll pin it down like okay, so this is the final result, and because I blow dried my hair, it's like kind of more voluminous than usually, but I usually put a headband on, so these pieces will go back and I'll show you how it looks with my headband. So I actually usually wear my hair like this, so it's out of my face but it's still open, and I like how it looks. Some of the pieces didn't curl as much because I didn't hold them as long, but it's fine for me, and that's how I do my hair. Okay, so I just finished the girls I've been, and it was amazing. I don't know the rating yet, but you'll have to watch my June wrap-up when I'm going to film that one. But I'm between kind of 2 ratings because I like the book. I think I'll have to sleep on it. Okay, so I'm just going to leave now, but let's get going.